This is going to be a video tutorial on how to prevent web pages from showing images on the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. To prevent websites from displaying images, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left hand corner up to where you see the little O logo. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then in the center pane, you want to click on Site Settings. And right down here, Images. By default, sites can show images. I'm going to click on Images. Like I said, by default, this top one should be toggled on. Sites can show images. You could toggle on the bottom one if you want to disallow sites from displaying images. That is how to prevent websites from displaying images in the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.